$20,000!
You ready?
Yes, sir.
20 seconds on the clock, please. Because it's heaven, the thermostat there is always set to what temperature?
65 degrees.
Grandpa sneezed so hard he broke his what?
Back.
Name something dogs catch.
A ball.
Name an occasion when a person might rent a limousine.
Prom.
Name a color for a baby's room.
Blue.
All right, let's see how we did. Because it's heaven, the thermostat there is always set to what temperature? You said 65 degrees, survey said. Look his back, survey said. Go to the prom, survey said. Blue, survey said.